Hi everybody, NanaYaa Tresses here. You're welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, do that. Last week we learned how to do a hot oil treatment, and today, guess what? Today we are doing a little something like a deep conditioning treatment, a relax set, plus results, some length check in between. So stay tuned. Today's gonna be a fun day. And yes, that was a tank top on my head. But I mean, what's a girl gonna do? I couldn't find my cotton t-shirt. Okay, sometimes you have to improvise. Anyway, I'm going to just slightly feel how my hair is feeling to make sure that the shampoo didn't dry on my hair. Also try and see if my hair is webbing. It's a telltale sign of whether I need moisture or protein. My hair is good, so we can proceed. So I'm gonna do a special introduction for my boo thing. If you've been following me for a while, you know about her. It's the ORS olive oil replenishing conditioner. I love this stuff. She's the best. I'm going to just do my hair back and then split it down the middle so that we can continue with the rest of the video. By the way, subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, who wants to miss content like this? I mean, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes there's some random days in between. I throw in a little sprinkle in there, just for good measure. So I'm going to section off my hair with my hair ties and my scrunchies, as well as I'm trying to grab my white tooth comb in case I need to detangle my hair. And then I'm going to split my hair so I can, section it off and then get ready to work on the first part. I'm gonna see me use my boo thing. We've been together for like 3 years. Yes, 3 years going and strong. Yes, honey. I'm gonna put that in my hands, spread it through, go in tiny section by tiny section so that I can really get in there, get the product all over my hair so that it can properly absorb it. So another thing I've noticed is that just by giving me a like helps me in the algorithm. Just leave a random comment. It could be anything, okay? A random comment. It's going to help me in the algorithm. It's going to help boost this video, let others know that I've uploaded a video. Also tells YouTube that this content is valuable to you. Also, if you haven't subscribed, again, please be sure to subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications so you never miss an upload. You can see me going in section by section. Somebody actually asked me a question that, how many conditioner bottles do I buy every month? And the truth is, I go through my conditioner so fast because this is just one wash day and I use almost a full bottle. Honestly, I use almost a full bottle because I like to have my conditioners like properly saturate my hair. For some reason, I feel like that's the only way that it works. For real though, like you cannot tell me any different. I'm going to work it in from root to tip, focusing mainly on the tips and also at the root portion where the line of demarcation is. This is to prevent any form of breakage, unwanted shedding, nip some split ends in the bud before they even begin to form. Also really work the product in my hair. I'm going to do that all over my hair and I'm going to come back and show you the results. Okay. And we're back. Yes, my entire hair is saturated with the deep conditioner. I'm just going through the entire hair to make sure. But yeah, it is. Now there's a little trick I'm going to show you. I'm going to go back in with my DIY hair growth oil and then put some on the ends of my hair, especially because they need that tender loving care to lock in the moisture from the deep conditioner. This also helps to boost the benefits of the deep conditioner that I'm using in my hair. I'm going to go through it's like all over the various sections of my hair. Then I'm going to grab my friend then I'm going to grab a shower cap, try and get my hair to the front. I'm trying to also work it at the base of my hair as well. Try tie it up in a little faux knot and then put the shower cap over my head. Then I'm going to steam. I'm going to proceed to go under the hooded dryer to proceed to introduce some heat into my hair. Yes, so that's about it. You can see me doing a lot of happy dances. I was playing music. I mean, what can I say? I love music. Make sure you comment down below how you deep condition your hair. Oh, stay tuned. Trust me, stay tuned. You want to see the roller set? Now, for those of you who have always been wondering how long I sit under a hooded dryer, I sit under it for 30 to 45 minutes. It always depends on what I'm doing. I play with my phone a bit, I fidget a lot. Yeah, so I sit under the hooded dryer for a couple of minutes and then I get out. If you made it to this part, shout out to you. You're a real one. So I tried Peggy Peg's, hair ruler set tutorial with Ace rulers only. I'm skeptical about how it's gonna be, but hey, I'm always open to trying new things. I'm gonna, prop up my hooded dryer and then go underneath it whilst play with my phone. I'm going to be on the dryer for an hour and 30 minutes. Charlie, I hate being under the dryer. It's hard. It's so hard. Look who's low-key excited. I am. So we're about to take it down. Yes, I'm going to try and speed through the process. I was skeptical at first, but hey, let's see how it's going to turn out, okay? Let's just see how it's going to go. So, hair process, I want to try and find a link to that video so you guys can see. I'm back. I took out the curls. The back part did not dry because I kept fidgeting under the dryer. Also, I use a very thicker, ponytail in that section. But all in all, the hair itself was dry. So I'm going to take out, the ponytail, like the hair ties from my hair, and then show you how my hair is going to look. I'm going to try and take you through the process of how I, sealing the moisture and prep my hair for the coming week, how I style it, everything. Also, if you've made it this far and you've not subscribed, why, Charlie, don't do that. I'm going to take a little bit of my DIY hair growth oil to seal my hair, and also this hair and body butter by Atara Hair Care. A little goes a long way. I'm going to wrap that in my hand until it melts. Wrap that all over my hair, focusing especially on the roots and the ends. Then take a wide tooth comb and then quickly comb through it. I must say it stretched out my new growth, so I was able to pass a comb through it. I'm currently 8 weeks post relaxer, and this wash day was a breeze. Yeah, it was much easier to do with my new growth because the ponytail method really stretched out my hair. Okay, so that's about it. I'm going through to probably detangle the roots and everything, and then I'm gonna flip my hair over. This was actually very easy. I feel like Tina Turner, somebody from the 70s. Yes, do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Anyway, that's about it. I'm sorry for the constant interruptions and noise breaks in between. Like I said, I have a very noisy neighborhood. Anyway, this wash day was not as stressful as I thought it was gonna be, but I'm glad with the results. I was just doing a mini length check there, even though I was supposed to wear my length check t-shirt. I forgot to do it, and yeah, be sure to subscribe